One of the worst things you can do with a problem is try to deny the fact that it exists. But that is exactly what many people do when they start to lose their hearing. And I'm sure that my first guest can attest to that fact. Joining me now from Buffalo Hearing and Speech Center is Marie Ryan to discuss the latest options in hearing aids. Thanks so much for being here, Marie.
Thank you for having me.
So it seems like it's one of those problems that people like to completely ignore until they absolutely have to. Why do you think that is?
Couple reasons. First, there still is a stigma with hearing aids. People think it's something that the older population just need. You start losing your hearing a lot younger than what people think. Around the 40, 45 mark, you actually start losing some of the very high pitches. Another reason might be that person might not be realizing that they're losing it, and that's why 9 times out of 10 I test somebody's hearing and say, "What brings you in today?" "My wife sent me." It's because they're not realizing what they're missing. Other people are realizing that they're saying, "What?" a lot. So it's a good idea, even when you hit 40, 45, just get a baseline hearing test.
Sometimes it seems like there's an ignore factor too from the person that's hearing, and instead of them like seeming like they tune out, they're just not hearing things.
Right,
Yeah.
right. And I try to tell patients, don't always say huh or what all the time. You know, just try to say, "I don't understand," or I didn't catch it.
All right, so let's talk about some of the newest hearing aids, because I know that it just keeps getting better and better.
It does. It's an exciting field to be in.
Absolutely. So tell me what you brought today. So this is a hearing aid, and you can't even see this.
No, you can't.
This is
Hearing
amazing.
aids are so much more cosmetically appealing than they used to be, and these give you an idea of what some of the devices look like nowadays. These are called receiver in the ear hearing aids. So the piece that goes behind the ear is very small, and the piece that goes inside is also very small, and you really don't see it in your ear, and they can be in different colors to match your skin, to match your hair, so that you really don't see it.
Tell me about this, because I had never thought about the fact if you want to Bluetooth with a cell phone, so when you're driving you're not holding a phone and you've got a hearing aid in, or you're working out and you like to listen to music, this comes in handy?
Yes, this is a device that will pair your hearing aid to a Bluetooth device, such as a cell phone or an iPod. So if you're working, telephone is one of the most difficult things with hearing aids. You don't get visual cues, so people tend to struggle a little more. So with this device, what happens is your cell phone's ringing, you might push a little button, and actually you would hear the cell phone answer in your hearing aid, so it's streaming it directly to your hearing aids.
That's fantastic.
It is.
When we look at all of these different hearing aids, when you have somebody come in and say they've got enough hearing loss that they need a hearing aid, how much time does it take to really get them comfortable to what they should be in?
You know, one of the things that people don't realize is there's so many options with hearing aids. I always say they're like cars. You have your Cadillac, you have your base model. People get scared because they think they'll be spending thousands and thousands of dollars on hearing aids. And there are some great high-level technology hearing aids, but there's all different price levels. And the biggest deciding factor is your lifestyle. So one thing that we really talk to you about is, what's your lifestyle? What do you do? Where do you have the problems? And it helps us steer the person in an area that they're comfortable with.
And you've got a great offer from now till the end of October. What is it?
Yes, right now we have a promotion, $300 off of select models of hearing aids. We have a free consultation, which is that chance to go through your lifestyle and help you choose a device that's correct for you. And then we also have a risk-free trial period, which means that at the end of the 75-day trial period, if you feel it's not for you, you will get your entire money back.
Fantastic, and you guys do such a great job over there. Thank you so much for stopping by today.
Thank you.
All right, Buffalo Hearing and Speech Center, 4 terrific locations to help with all your hearing needs. You can find them in Buffalo, Williamsville, Niagara Falls, and West Seneca. To contact them by phone, 885-8318, or you can check out all they have to offer on the web at buffalohearingcenter.com. Remember, through the month of October, from now through the month of October, they're offering $300 off select hearing aid models, along with a free consultation, risk-free 75-day trial, and a 3-year warranty. So give Buffalo Hearing and Speech Center a call today. Now don't go anywhere. Coming up next, we're going to find out about a great offer from Buffalo Laser Spa that can help you lose fat with their Gentle Slim laser-assisted fat removal procedure. Plus, they're going to share with us information about a great event that will help Western New York heroes in their fantastic organization. After that, if you enjoy quality local theater, you'll want to stay right with us, because we're going to be sitting down with some of the cast members of Three Sisters, a local production hitting the stage at the Paul Robeson Theater starting next weekend. We'll have all the details on this fine production. You're watching Western New York Living.
This segment of Western New York Living was paid for by Buffalo Hearing and Speech Center.